I'm currently filming this little video intro here in my hotel room in LA, but I'm doing a fun Nordstrom rack shop with me for today's video. I wanted to go ahead and upload this. I've been filming it like a few weeks at a time, checking out what they have. Usually they have a couple new things like every few weeks or so, so all of this was kind of filmed in 1 month. But I wanted to show you guys some of the really cool stuff that they had at Nordstrom Rack because they had some pretty good deals. And so you're gonna get a Nordstrom Rack video and a TJ Maxx video this week, which is pretty cool. So without further ado, let's go see what Nordstrom Rack has for good. So in case TJ Maxx is a fail this week, I am stopping here at Nordstrom Rack, and it looks like they are stocked up on Max stuff this week. So let's see what they have. It looks like they have the Raver Girl palette. This is going for $22.97. Usually at TJ Maxx these are like $19.99. And it shows a little example here of what it looks like, which I love that Nordstrom does this. But that is the colors. They also have this pretty punk palette which has some really fun bright shades in it. It looks like this. So it has like a bright neon green, purple, blue, and then this fun like pinky purple shade. And then they do have the basic bitch palette as well. I actually bought this when it came out, and I actually ended up selling it because I wasn't a huge fan of these shades. I just feel like they didn't blend out very good. I didn't like the quality, but this palette over here, the Smarty Pants one, I love. I have this one, I use it all the time from MAC. They have some Patrick Star and MAC stuff too. This is their Hot and Heavy face powder in the shade, I guess it's called Hot and Heavy, going for $19.97. They also have these Dazzle Drops back here, which these are in the shade Dazzle Pink, going for $14.97. This is what they look like in the package. Super pretty. And then in this little bin they have these little Patrick Star and MAC pigments. This one is, oh my god, it's gold, going for $10.97. They also have some of these little guys. These are the foil eyeshadows, extra dimension. The shade is called Coppa Pose. These are going for $9.97. Here's the shade as well in Gold Medalist. And we also have, I think it's Violet, or I guess it's Violet. Wow, okay. And then this one is Lunar Metal. They have a little Dazzle shadow, which is $8.97. This is Sparkling Moment. It looks gorgeous. I have these cute little lip products back here from the MAC Raver Girl, I guess, collection. This is the lipstick in Rave Chick, going for $8.97. And then this one goes with the Pretty Punk collection. This one is Buzz Cut for, it looks like $7.97. Everything's priced so different. They also have this Smarty Pants gloss in the shade Audible, which is also $7.97. And then here's another Raver Girl gloss. This one's really pretty. It has like purple and green. This one's a deep set. And there's this hot pink one. This one's called Bracelets Galore. Here they have a ton of these next to nothing powders. They have pretty much all the shades. Here we have like literally medium, medium plus, medium dark, dark, deep, and then dark plus. These are going for $16.97. I love seeing these things here because I'm wondering if maybe we'll get them at TJ Maxx soon, even cheaper than it is here at Nordstrom. They also have this MAC Prep and Prime Transparent Finishing Powder. This is going for $13.97. There's a little blush here in a bright red. This is called Apple Red for $12.97. And they have these cute little Foxy Brows kits. This one's in light. You get a brow sculpt and a brow set, it looks like. This is going for $19.97. They have the light shade and then the medium shade. And they have a couple more things back here. There's the MAC, it looks like lip gloss from the Cherry Blossom collection in Cherry Mochi, which looks like this. It's kind of a pinky red. It's really pretty. This is going for $8.97. which I'm guessing all of these glosses are too. So we have some stuff from the Oh Sweetie collection. I remember when this came out, I kind of wanted some stuff and I never ended up getting anything, but this is the Key Lime Trifle gloss for $10.97, which it looks like this. It's literally lime green. What the heck? Then they do have the Gloss and Caramel Sugar too, which I'm guessing is a brown. Let's see. Yep, it's a brown, kind of bronzy almost shade. Love the packaging on these. I did want to point out there's a bunch of these Urban Decay Pro brushes which look really nice. This is the finishing powder brush. I have a foundation brush from Urban Decay and it's lasted me so long, so these are really good quality. This is $19.97. There's also this flat eyeshadow brush. That one looks really nice, going for $11.97. And they have here a detailed smudger brush. I've never even seen this collection from them, so I'm wondering if they even sell it on their website or at Sephora or anything. They have a smoky smudger brush for, I think they're $11.97, and then this is the medium eyeshadow brush. And then over here they have even a diffusing highlighter brush. This highlighter brush is $15.97. Here is a domed concealer brush going for $12.97. Oh, they have a MAC Patrick Star lipstick. This one is in the shade Spank Me Santa. This one is $8.97. Here is the Too Faced Christmas Dreams Essential Brush Set. I saw Kim Nuzullo find this, so I'm super excited to see it here. You get all these brushes in there: a powder brush, blending brush, blush brush, crease, and then a liner brush, and this cute little makeup bag. So I think this came out last Christmas. It is going here for $24.97. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so excited to see what Too Faced does for this holiday. Have a few of these MAC Bling Thing liquid lip colors. I found 3 different shades here. So we have Like It Like This, Purple for Days, and then Frickin' Brilliant. These are $10.97. I remember I came here to look one time for the Beach palette, never found it, but they do have the Urban Decay like beached lipsticks. This one's in the shade 100 Degrees, going for $8.97. And then they also have Tower 1, which is a metallized one. Also have this Urban Decay Disco Queen highlight powder. I tried this and it was just, I don't know, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but this is going for $14.97. I stopped back at Nordstrom Rack. I did want to say this video was filmed like in a month's time, so I found these finds within a month, and I don't know, they get new stuff about like every couple weeks or so, but I saw a couple new things, so I wanted to quick include those before I upload. But I found this, which is so cool, the Becca, Khloe, and Malika BFFs collection. I think I have the other one. I don't have the silver one. This one is the Malika palette, and it is going for $19.97 here. Pretty good. In this palette you get a matte bronzer, a soft focus highlighter, and then 2 radiant blushes. Like I said, I love these. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. So this is indeed the one I don't have, and now I'm kind of like, I kind of want this too. It's so pretty. But yeah, look at these shades. Absolutely stunning. I have the gold version and use it all the time, so definitely recommend checking out your Nordstrom Rack to see if they have this. I believe these are new as well. From Urban Decay, the Naked Skin One and Done Blur on the Run Finishing Balm for $16.97. I never know like how to use these things. It's like a balm, but you're supposed to set your face with it. I don't know, very confusing to me, but I did want to mention that they are here, as well as the other stuff I've shown earlier from them. It looks like they have some, I don't know if I've showed this before, from Laura Mercier, the Caviar Color Inspired Edition Eye Art Palette. Sorry if that was blurry. It has some really pretty fall tones in here. Originally $55 and going for $24.97 here at Nordstrom Rack. These little mini velvetizers as well from Urban Decay, which is like the perfect trial size if you guys want to try this out. It's something I've always been interested in because apparently you can use this to make your foundations more full coverage and more mattifying. This little one is going for $11.97. They also have this Bobbi Brown palette called Night Drama. They also have the Crystal Drama. I think I showed that one in a previous video of mine. This is going for $24.97. And it has some really pretty colors in it. I feel like these would be really nice for fall if you guys could see there. They usually have a tester out, but they do not have one of this, but it looks really pretty. And they also have a bunch of the Lime Crime Diamond Dew little liquid shadows. I've seen some people find these at TJ Maxx. I have not seen them yet, but I showed these in my last video. They are still $9.97 and they have a bunch of shades. Alright guys, so that is it for my video today. I actually did not end up buying anything. I know I was this close to buying the Becca, Khloe, and Malika palette, but I decided since I already have one, I don't need the other one. And I don't know, I've been trying to like buy less stuff, and the Nordstrom Rack deals aren't always amazing. I only buy it there if it's like something that I really feel like it's not going to be at TJ Maxx. So I don't know, I have a feeling that Becca stuff is going to be at TJ Maxx just because I've seen some people in the UK find it at their stores. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there was anything exciting that you guys are going to be on the lookout for, or if you guys have found anything cool at your Nordstrom rack, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.